Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Sequans Communications, a leading cellular semiconductor maker, has announced its acquisition of 370 Bitcoin as part of a newly launched Bitcoin Treasury strategy. The purchase was funded by receipts from its recent equity and convertible debenture offering that closed on July 7. Now, the company wants to implement its strategic plan to accumulate over 3,000 Bitcoin in the coming weeks. Sequans has chosen Coinbase as custodian, utilizing Coinbase Prime's institutional-grade services. Robinhood has launched its Ethereum and Solana staking services in the US, allowing users to earn rewards by staking their digital assets. The feature, which was previously available to Robinhood's European customers, now brings the ability to stake ETH unsold directly through the platform for US users. Robinhood users can begin staking with as little as $1, according to the announcement. Also, the staking process involves users locking their tokens to validate transactions and contribute to network security. For Ethereum, Robinhood uses a batch processing method to combine stakes and reach the required 32 ETH needed to become a validator. After a string of regulatory approvals, Grayscale has hit a roadblock in its application for an Avalanche ETF launch. The US SEC has delayed its decision for the spot ETF, calling for written comments as the AVAX price soars. According to an SEC document, the Commission has opted to postpone its decision on a Grayscale application to launch an Avalanche ETF. The Grayscale is seeking to list shares of its Avalanche Trust on the Nasdaq exchange, but the SEC says a longer review period is necessary. Japanese real estate investment firm Gates Inc. unveiled plans to tokenize $75 million of income-generating properties in central Tokyo using the Oasys blockchain to make it easier for foreigners to gain access to the country's real estate market. The company said Thursday it plans to expand quickly, aiming to eventually tokenize more than $200 billion in assets, or about 1% of Japan's $20.5 trillion property market. Now, tokenization of real-world assets, including real estate, has gained traction globally as institutions explore ways to use blockchain technology for transactions and recording ownership. Coinbase Global has partnered with Perplexity, an AI-driven search engine known for delivering answers with cited, real-time information from across the web. Announcing the development on Thursday, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said the partnership will integrate the crypto exchange's market data into Perplexity's large language model. Well, this collaboration aims to bring AI and crypto closer, empowering users with accurate and timely data to make better digital asset decisions. Also, the partnership will roll out in 2 stages. Starting Thursday, Perplexity's new comment browser will begin displaying real-time market analysis using Coinbase's data, including its proprietary Coin50 index, which tracks the top 50 digital assets on the platform. Bitcoin mining firm Bitmining is making a strategic shift into the Solana ecosystem, with plans to raise up to $300 million to support the move. The company said on Thursday it plans to raise between $200 million and $300 million in different phases to build a sizable Solana token treasury. The capital will also be used to expand its capabilities within the network and acquire more tokens. As part of the plan, Bitmining said it will convert some of its existing crypto holdings into SOL and adopt a long-term holding strategy. Thumzup Media Corporation, a social media advertising and cryptocurrency asset strategy company, is announcing that it is going to start adding more cryptocurrencies to its treasury. Thumzup had only Bitcoin in its treasury so far, but it is now going to add Ethereum, Solana, Ripples, XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and USD Coin. This action is included in Thumzup's plan to keep up to 90% of its liquid funds in cryptocurrencies. As of July 8, 2025, the company has approximately 19.106 BTC with a value of around $2.1 million. Pump.fun has acquired Kolscan, a real-time wallet tracker known for monitoring the activity of top on-chain traders, in a move aimed at deepening its presence in the crypto data and trading ecosystem. Kolscan tracks wallet behavior, token profit and loss, and ranks trader performance on a public leaderboard, giving users a granular look into how the most successful wallets operate. The integration with Pump.fun could improve existing product features, but also lay the groundwork for new trading experiences built around transparency, gamification, and social investing. Germany's NRW.BANK has successfully issued €100 million digital bond utilizing the Polygon blockchain, becoming one of the first major financial institutions in Europe to fully embrace tokenized securities under the Electronic Securities Act. This legislation, enacted in 2021, provides a legal framework for blockchain-based securities, enabling the issuance and registration of digital bonds without traditional paper documentation. The bond's 2-year maturity and full digital registration through cash-linked technologies, BaFin licensed crypto registrar underscore the increasing trust in blockchain technology for regulated financial products. In a massive development for the crypto industry and DeFi in particular, the US Treasury has officially dropped the crypto broker reporting rule. This comes just months after Congress revoked the IRS tax rule. According to a Bloomberg report, the Treasury Department has scrapped the federal law after US Congress voted to revoke it earlier in the year. The law stipulated how decentralized platforms, including exchanges, would report customer transactions to the IRS for tax purposes. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.